In this video, I am going to show you a way that you can send your friends gift boxes in direct message. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to head over to my direct messages and choose one of my friends to send a gift box to. So from these icons, I'm going to tap on the second one from the right, the sticker icon. And once you tap that, as you can see, there are multiple gifts and stickers here. You can tap on gifts or avatar and create your avatar. I already haven't created it. And here, actually from the gifts, you can find anything you want and send it to your friends. Here I can type gift box. And as you can see, there are multiple gift boxes that I can choose and send to my friend just like that. There's even a dinosaur with a gift box, so many cute things. And also, if you want to send them other things, like let's say I want to say good morning. As you can see, there are a lot of gifts for good morning. I can send them to my friend like this one. I hope you have fun with it, and don't forget to subscribe for more.